Okay, so this exercise is a front raise and we're keeping the thumbs up, okay? So the only difference between having a pronated grip, like an overhand grip, and having the thumbs up is we just change the angle we're hitting the muscle at just slightly. It's just a very slight tweak. It's just something a little tiny bit different. So of course, anytime we do anything a little bit different, it can shock the muscle and get you a little bit sore. So this one, make sure you are controlling it on the way down. So you're going to come up and make sure when you come down, don't just let it drop down real fast. Really control it on the way down. You're going to exhale as you come up on this one, okay? And again, we're working the front delt here, okay? So go ahead, give this one a try and make it a great day.